apenas uma alteração no 11. Mame joga de início. Chamberlain hoje fica no banco de suplentes, mas se olhar, cá estamos para mais um jogo de preparação, um jogo de pré-época com o Liverpool, mais uma vez em ação. E Platenard, depois acho que é Cibar, Dino Alsun, Boateng, uma das caras novas, Serdar também, uma das mais intenso. Mas os adeptos do Liverpool fazem a festa em todo o lado. Nós estamos em Anfield.
Milner com o médio mais recuado, Naby Keita e o jovem Harvey Elliott, que volta a ter uma oportunidade. E depois
com muitas novidades, com muito futebol, com outras modalidades. Aí está, começa a partida. A bola já para o domingo, no dia 15 de agosto. A bola para Moussa Konaté, tenta o passe, não saiu bem.
Primeiro minutos, o Liverpool a tentar construir de forma mais paciente, com o Herta a assumir uma postura expectante, defende
24 anos, com várias temporadas já de futebol alemão. Antes do Stuttgart, atenção, o rebate a sair ao lado. A bola a sair ao lado é a Kevin Prince Boateng, lá está, 34 anos, uma carreira, diria...
para a temporada.
E falavas de Paul Dardai, uma autêntica instituição dentro deste Herta de Berlim.
Gain. And Salah, saved by the goalkeeper Minamino, who was trying to turn it home, but it came very, very sharply.
Good advantage from the referee, could well have given a free kick in that position. Salah
took tight, actually got the header in. Mane again. It was a ball that was just for Salah a little wide, but it was great vision by the Liverpool captain. And there's the chance at the far post, which is headed down into the ground and up and saved by the goalkeeper from Sadio Mane. Another really good Liverpool move.
Yeah, good move, moving the ball quickly. Goes out to Sadio on that right-hand side, moves it towards the far post.
James Milner is the vocal defender. It comes all the way through though, and it is in. Liverpool appealing for offside, but it was such a dangerous ball. Might even had a nasty collision with the post as well. The man who turned the ball in, who is Santiago Casiba, who's come out of that really, really badly. But it is a goal for Herta Berlin, although there is concern for the little Argentine.
It's a super delivery, wasn't it? Right.
Matip za Manea, fenomenalno, ali ipak offside pozicija. Ipak offside pozicija.
Takes it off him. Keita wins that well. Milner, that's for Salah. Oh, he just got a little ahead of it. Teasing ball from James Milner.
Wasn't far away, was it there, Salah? I think Harvey Elliott thought about making the run initially. James Milner picked the...
Lako je ovo rešio pored Aleksandra Arnolda, onda ipak nekontrolisano izgubio je balans levi bek Herte, koji je fenomenalno izveo slobodan udarac u 21. minutu.
Ball by Lukabaki. Oh, what a strike! Oh, that's a frightening hit from Darida onto the ball in an absolute instant. And Suat Serdar, from absolutely no angle at all, just cruises the ball into the back of that. Wonderful, wonderful goal.
A stunning finish. Absolutely, thinking there's not really much danger on. He takes it on. The ball comes into him here. The first touch sets himself up. He's got a lot to do there. He's probably looking at crossing the ball. One thing in mind to fire it across and...
Not anything, no, well, it's just a friendly. That's towards Salah. Just runs away from it. And Liverpool win it back again. Well, Salah's touch didn't do anything for him, but he still got it. This is a chance for Liverpool to get back into the game. Tsimikas, and it's Mane, and it is a goal for Liverpool. It took a couple of attempts for Sadio Mane, but he does manage to get the ball home. Really, really good read by Kostas Tsimikas. Really poor throw by the goalkeeper. Well, Liverpool do have a goal, and they do have a route back into this game.
They're back into the game very quickly. Mane, the man, finishing it off, nice and alert inside the penalty area. Tsimikas does well, he takes his time, doesn't panic in that situation.
Touch by Elliott, Minamino, Salah, lovely move by Liverpool. And it was very well. Herta Berlin scored from a free kick in this position. At the other end, and Joel Matip isn't far from scoring from a free kick there, because it was a ball that came right across to him.
Great delivery. Look at that from him.
Together. And Keita's won the ball really well. And here goes Salah. And Salah's back heel. And Minamino. And that's a really, really good Liverpool goal. 2 down. They've turned it round in a matter of minutes. And that's as good as pre-season goal as you'll see anywhere.
Outstanding. Oh, what a bit of team play that was. Minamino ends up finishing it with a simple finish in the end. Also, the involvement he has here. Liverpool press well. It's Naby Keita refereed as well. It's a really good tackle, isn't it? Good. This one was Trent's big strength, isn't it? Liverpool back in those areas.
Form nicely for Adrian. There's the ricochet from Robertson's clearance. Back immediately through Reece Williams. Now James Milner. It's the chin that won't come for Salah. Did this in the first half, maybe not quite as...
Get on the end of that one from the goalkeeper. Sharp start to the second half again from Liverpool, that chance for Ox, and then that one again, movement from Mane in behind.
Liverpool asking all the questions at the start of this second half, despite making these 6 changes. Curtis Jones again.
Altså på 4 nøgleerobringer fra Keita. Måske giver det en Liverpool-chance. Trent Alexander-Arnold, det er tæt på det der. Godt nok målspark. Men hvor skal vi bare rose Naby Keita for at spille en drømmekamp på den centrale midtbane. Boldsikker, godt overblik og ikke mindst erobringer i hvad de laver. Alle kæder fungerer for Liverpool. På dem. Nyt indlæg der, den ligger rigtig godt. Stor redning af Schurloff. En helt fantastisk redning. Han kommer afsted med det. Venstreben. Det viser han lidt af her. Der går lidt tid før. Ja, det er udmærket det der. Ny afslutningsmulighed til 16-årige Gordon. Ind over hos Robertson her. Det er Curtis Jones. Andy Robertson. Det er en rigtig god afslutningsmulighed. Katie Gordon. Godt indlæg. Og stik mod spillerchancer. Debutanten Jovetic. Hovedstødsmål til 3-2. Der har stået Liverpool ud over hele den her anden halvleg. Men hvor er det fantastisk stemplet ind af Jovetic. Kender virkelig også vejen til målet. Et klasseindlæg. Kommer til at stå noget skidt der, Nat Phillips. Ja, det er Jovetic, det er Jovetic. 2 mål til Montenegrineren efter et indskidt i anden halvleg. Stefan Jovetic, hvilken måde at præsentere sig selv for Herta. Det er et fantastisk mål af Jovetic, det der. Ja, lidt rusten det der fra Van Dijk. Ikke rigtigt. Over i bagerste område med Van Dijk, han vinder den. Løs chance til Oxlade-Chamberlain. Reducering med 2,5 minutter tilbage. Der vinder de den over i bagerste område omkring Van Dijk. Så er det så lidt tvivlsomt målmandsspil, der giver Oxlade-Chamberlain chancen. Men det er jo det, de gerne vil, Liverpool.